How to earn more than $250 per month on Redbubble. How do you do it? You will always want to design what you want for your Redbubble store. If you want traffic and more sales, find out what people are searching for in the Redbubble. There are many popular tools out there like Bubble Trends and Redbubble Popular Tags. Both will give you what is popular and trending in Redbubble. I will share with you two methods that works for everyone. TikTok. Start creating short video on this platform to promote your artwork. But don't just promote all the time. I mean, give your targeted audience more values. How? Maybe give some tips on how you accomplished your designs. What platform you use, your resource tool, behind the scene. Reddit. Be active on this forum website. You can learn how the other sellers on Redbubble make money from it. They will promote their artwork in subreddit that relates to their artwork. Follow the Google trend. Always check Google Trends. Usually, trendy designs sells very well. Just be careful on any copyright and trademark infringement. I hope that helps you a bit.